Hey brothers, we set up porcupine traps for 2 days, and today we're finally heading out. Let's go, move out. Oh my goodness. Come over. See this, down here. What is this thing? It looks like a fox, but it's not a good pig. Why the high frequency? Come on, let's not worry about it now. Let's open it first. Help me. All right. Come on, don't tussle with it. Help quickly. It should be under that fruit, not protecting this thing. Come, you lift it. Seems like it's upended. Do you know? Little Black bit the white one. Oh my, this guy bit it. It's serious. It hurts so much. All right.
Not easy.
This little guy, I thought we'd catch a monkey today. Got excited for nothing. Although it can't jump. At least we managed to fool you with some effect. Now let's set it up. Cover it with a layer of banana leaves and sprinkle some wild berries. Come on. You two lift it up. Put this coxcomb on it.
Make it more sensitive. I don't believe we can't catch a porcupine. Last time nearby, we picked up a few porcupine quills. Throw them on top to reduce the porcupine's vigilance. We'll come back to check tomorrow. Let's go. Take a stroll in the woods. See, there's a squirrel on that tree, eating those wild fruits up there.
Come, it fell here too. That's the 5-flavor berry. Look, there's one here as well. It tastes a bit sour, but it's all right. There are still many here. Let's go. We'll take you to see some. Picked a dozen or so. Guys, if you're hungry, you can cool down. Hey, brothers.
Broadcast.
What's up? Look, I got a big yam. Is it big? Wow, it's big. Nice.
Growing downward.
Good stuff.
Moving.
Come on, get it out. Break it off. It's over 1 meter long. Not bad. This thing is very dense. Put it in the basket. There's another section here. Let's break it off. Wow. Today we have our hygiene and this starch. Just missing the protein. We haven't been to this wild bamboo forest for several days. Look here. Down below there are several new holes added. See? Here at the entrance, there are many new bamboo joints that have just been gnawed. I estimate there are still several bamboo shoot houses here. Why 12 bottles? Got it. All right. Let's go. Let's see. Go. Come on, Julyborn. You two blow. I'll go set up this trap. Okay. Just like before. We'll set up a trap at this smoking hole entrance.
Did you hear that? This is the return leaf.
All right, here, let's set one up here too. Hey dear, you start blowing. Spread the fire out and improve it a bit. Get a few pipes and place them at the end. I found a few tree leaves to make a small fan. Isn't it easier to fan directly like this? Although we previously caught a few bamboo rats and gained some experience, these creatures are fierce and very cunning. Even using smoke methods cannot guarantee a 100% capture rate. As the temperature drops, we urgently need protein supplements in the blizzard. So I decided to continue with your teammate to the river between the canyons, because there is abundant food, including mountain crabs and many small fish with delicious meat. Let's go. We'll still use the most primitive method and see if we can earn $2. Wow. After running for half a day, I just ate a little ear of wheat, but it's still not enough to fill up the Sunshine Child. Come, little fish. The current is too slow here now. Let's try another way. Clear the river channel and block the river to catch fish. It is said that the indigenous people near the rainforests of Pu'er Prefecture often used this method when food was scarce. We just need to narrow the river channel to concentrate the current, which will increase our chances of catching fish. Let's go further downstream. I think we can place fish traps everywhere. Block it off.
Then use the stick to knock the chicken on top to the ground.
His mom rushed to this countdown. No lack of topics. Come on, let's swim. I guess I'll go.
There are a lot of these little white strips. More than 10 of them. Wow, it's just too small. Although it's a bit small. At least it's much faster than stickleback fish. Wow, I got some of these. They're all small white strips, tiny things. Come on, little fish. They're all in the basket now.
But
We have another basket in the river channel. Let's go check it out. It's been 2 days now anyway. Might take 70 years. Let's go down and take a look. There are these leaves in here. Wow. Okay, a big white stripe. Thank you, you got it in 1 meter. Got a big top 3 national ranking. It's been 2 or 3 days. Still good. Not leaking yet. Come on, this white stripe isn't small either. I almost got carried away. Come on, Laojang. Let's put it all in Poro Valley Rainforest. Many wild animals come out every day, but most are protected locally. Currently, our main source of protein is the small fish in the river. Although they are small, at least the catch is stable. So we can only find ways to weave more fish baskets. Currently, there are 3 traps set in this river channel, all with plenty of bait. Come on, let's go, Xiaoye. Okay, carry the traps. Let's go see if the bamboo rats have come out. Okay, recently these bamboo rats have become increasingly cunning. After smoking them out for half a day, there was no movement at all. Just as the team members were about to give up, in the evening, the bamboo rats in the hole finally triggered the trap.
Oh my, finally set off. Look, this isn't small at all. These 3 coming out.
Oh, this thing. Eating crunchy.
Shake, shake, shake. I told you to shake. Oh my, this guy. This bite is incredible. Well, he's not paying attention. Come.
Oh, move, I told you to move. Almost got away. I got you now. Oh no, it bit my foot. Do you need a vaccine of bitten on the hand? Oh gosh, hurry up. Quickly put the bucket in the water. Okay, it's done. Wow, it's been about 1 or 2 days. Dragging sound. Catch it, it's not interesting to look at. Come on, Lao, I'll show you. I'll leave this to you, go take care of it. I can't. Never mind, I'll do it. Lazy bear, lazy bear. Not good to me, come on. After a busy day, our meal today still includes both fish and meat, warm and steamy.
Come on, have some more soup. No trouble.
Even though we're in the woods every day, doing these things is really challenging and takes a lot of effort. But at least the simple life is still very fulfilling. The conditions in the rainforest are a bit harsh and lower our morale. Our life continues. After it gets dark, besides the animals, it's also an area where crabs appear. So let's see if we can catch a few for breakfast tomorrow. Ah, see, these are all ghost crabs. Once night falls, they all come out. Oh, come on, why is it this thing again? It feels different from what we found. Looks like a dog. This should be a masked civet. It follows us once it gets dark.
There's a little fish here in the northeast. Let's see if it eats it. Come on. It's a meat eater, come on. Wow, look at how it's
not eating anymore. After dark tonight, many animals come out, so let's go cover my wife's dog. Let's go.